how to create shortcut in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Browser. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process step by step, so please follow along with me and watch this video till the very end if you don't want to miss any step. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now guys, let's head over to Snapchat, and here guys, tap on the chat box right here. Now guys, over here we need to take a Snapchat. So take a Snapchat, and here guys, tap to send to, and now tab here to send to, over here to send to, and here we have create shortcut. So now you can tap on create shortcut. So over here, send to, on the search box, tap on there, and now we have the option to create shortcut. So tap create shortcut. Here, create the emoji, guys. Alright. Over here you can select multiple contacts. Here and here. Okay, select only one single emoji, and now tap on create shortcut. Shortcut created, as you can see here. And here guys, when you tap to send to, over here you can create more shortcuts if you want. You can choose an emoji, add few contacts, and you create shortcut. Now guys, when you go back and you create new snap and send to, and here guys, you can see shortcuts. Tap on here, and here you can see the shortcuts you saved. Use shortcuts to quickly select friends and groups. Shortcuts are private to just you. Here you can type on new shortcut if you want to create another one, or you can simply go to send, tap on send, and here we have shortcuts. Here, as you can see, we have the shortcuts we just saved. So that's how you do it. For those who want to know how to delete the shortcut, it's very simple. Select the shortcut that you want to delete. Say I want to delete this one, and now go tap on these three lines right here and tap delete shortcut. Would you like to delete the shortcut? Tap on delete. I hope guys this video helped you. If it did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video for more how-to videos. See you now in the next video. Take care.